Hola amigos! Today's recipe is a perfect meal to help warm you up during the cold winter days. And if you happen to be hungover, this soup is going to really hit the spot. Menudo or pancita is what we in Mexico call tripe soup. Ugh, I know, pretty gross. But don't worry because I'm going to be showing you how to make a delectable vegan menudo that you're absolutely going to love. Yes, even those that love the classic version will devour this vegan twist. Growing up, my parents would buy menudo for our Sunday meal and I was never happy with the choice. Just the thought of the meat really disgusted me, and much to the dismay of my parents, I would only eat the broth and push the tripe out of my bowl. Anyone else do this too? As always, there are many variations to this dish. Like for example, some people also like to add hominy or cooked garbanzos to their menudo. I haven't included them in this version, but feel absolutely free to do so if you'd like. The ingredients are all listed together at the end of the video and also on the printable recipe, which is on my website, and you can find the link to that in the description box below. Okay amigos, let's get cooking! Once your menudo is done, garnish it with chopped cilantro, roughly chopped white onion, crushed dried Mexican oregano, and plenty of lime juice. Serve with lots of warm corn tortillas, and if you'd like, freshly chopped fresh chilies or any spicy salsa of your choice. Amigos, let me tell you, this vegan menudo tastes so similar to the classic version that it's going to blow your mind that there is no yucky tripe involved in this recipe. The broth is so super flavorful and has just that touch of heat without being overpowering. The vibrant broth color with the tender oyster mushrooms, the crunch of the onion, the burst of the cilantro and the oregano, and the tartness of the lime. Oh my god, the tastes and the textures are just so crazy amazing together. I'm talking toe curling foodie heaven, amigos.